In this video, you'll be learning how to copy a path of a file or a folder in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for Explorer. Once you've typed it, please wait until you can get the best match, which is the File Explorer system. And once it's here, okay, you need to click on this forward arrow key to best match has been shown here. Okay, no worries for that. So click on it and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can click on open. Click on it. By the way, you can also press Windows key and E key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer easily. So from here, please navigate to the path of a file or a folder that you would like to copy the path with. Let's say, for example, here in music, in my case. So all you need to do is you need to select on the folder or the file that you would like to copy the path with. And once you have selected it, make a right click and go with this one, which is copy as path. You can also use the keyboard by pressing Control Shift and C key together. You would be able to copy as path. Okay, so click on it, and once you have the click on it, you can also paste it here at this address bar. Place it at center, and when you make a right click and go with paste, there you have it. You have just successfully copy and paste a path of a file or a folder here in your Windows 11. Okay. Once you're good, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.